Hi, hello everyone. Today we learn some basic concepts of information security. First of all, we'll know what is meant by information security. Information security is nothing but transmission of data from one device to another device through network securely is called information security. And this security is provided by means of different algorithm techniques. Let's see some techniques involved in it. Encryption and decryption process. It is one of the most important technique involved in it for the transmission of data through network. Let's see what is meant by encryption. Encryption is nothing but conversion of plain text which is in readable format into ciphertext which is in unreadable format, whereas decryption means conversion of ciphertext which is in unreadable format into readable format plain text is called decryption. Encryption is done at sender side, whereas decryption is done at receiver side. I mean, if the data is transmitting through a network, this data has to be transmitted securely through the network. So instead of sending the plain text which is in readable format in the network, it is not secured. So in background what it will done is it converts plain text which is in readable format into ciphertext which is in unreadable format, and then it transmits securely through the network. After that, at receiver side, what it does is it will decrypt the ciphertext which is in unreadable format into plain text, and it will and at receiver side a person can read that text. So this is the process of encryption and decryption, and this encryption decryption process is again classified into two types: symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption, here in the diagram you can see symmetric key. This key is classified into two types: public key, private key. Public key is available to all users, whereas private key is available to the limited users. In the symmetric encryption, what it does is if a person using public key for the encryption, the same public key has to be used at the decryptor side, at the receiver side. I mean, decryption is also done by using the same public key. If a person at sender side is using private key, then at receiver side also he must use private key only. Whereas in asymmetric encryption, if a person is using public key for the encryption technique, then he must use private key for the decryption. Or else, if a person is using a private key for the encryption, he must use public key for the decryption. It is just like vice versa. Whereas in symmetric encryption, the same key has to be used at sender and receiver side. Whereas in asymmetric encryption, two different keys at sender side and receiver side has to be used. Let's see some example how this plain text is converting into ciphertext with an algorithm by means of code. I have implemented this algorithm how plain text is converting into ciphertext. This is the old technique used for the conversion of plain text into ciphertext. It is easily hacked, but to understanding purpose, I have implemented some algorithm technique which is used for the conversion of plain text into ciphertext. Let's run this program. I am running this program python 3 encrypt.py, enter. It is asking to input the text. I am giving the text hello world. After that, it will convert into ciphertext which is in unreadable format. It means a person cannot read the text. DLROW OLLH, what is that? A person cannot read. I mean, he can read, but he cannot understand what is the text a sender wants to send to the receiver. It is the oldest technique. It is easily hacked, but for the understanding purpose, I have developed that algorithm. It is just the reverse of a string. It is just, you can see HELLOWRLD. It's a H. You can see here HELLOWRLD. It is just a reverse of a text. But for understanding purpose, I have developed. It is also one of the technique used for in olden days for the transmission of data. Thank you. In further classes, we will learn in detail with practical examples. We will learn how information is transmitting between devices securely without intrusion of any hacker. We will learn with practical examples. Thank you.